Hello everyone, this is Jazz, and today I'm narrating the story of Animal Farm in our version. Scene 1. The Meeting. Animal Farm is a marketing company owned in partnership by Old Major and Joe. It is owned by them in 60:40 ratio respectively.
Let's start the meeting without Joe because again Joe is done.
Or you can say he is drunk for the more civilized audience.
But sir, what are we supposed to do about this since he have been getting high on this rotten stuff ever so often?
Yes, I'm afraid to say it because the drunkard is doing some shady stuff the last fall in our stocks.
Can't we just kill that idiot and blame it on the alcohol?
That's a good idea. By the way, you guys should know that Leonid is the smartest when it comes to dealing with idiots.
And of course, every work by Leonid is right for Squellerina.
You pigs! Not why I have called you here. Yes, you might be right. Joe has gone. Or there is no survival of this company. We have to banish him from this company.
Yes, ma'am, you're totally right.
Listen, my comrades, we need to make things right in this company to lead this company to a better future. And once Joe is out of this company, don't follow his steps. Create a family out of everywhere here and make an environment where manager, CA, CS, secretary manager, and secretary, all employees are equal.
An old major starting remind everyone of the ethics, commandments and passed on rules.
Two eyes with no use is enemy. One eye is good, but two eyes with smartness is also a friend. No employees sleep at work. No employees shall be drunk in working hours. No more gossips in front of the water coolers about useless issues that lead to fights and fights. No employee shall wear unofficial clothes. Everyone has the same matters. All the employees are equal.
After this, everyone in the meeting comes together and sings the company anthem. That was custom of a big motivation booster.
Beast of England, beast of Ireland, beast of every land and clime, hearken to my joyful tiding to the golden future time.
Before the second line of the anthem,
Ah! 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 He's out! Ah!
क्या हुआ? मीटिंग मेरे बिना ही ख़त्म हो गई। और ये ओल्ड मेजर को क्या हुआ?
before his second heart attack, old major, he transferred his 60% shares to Snowbell and even added a clause in company policy that if there is any type of rules and ethics violation can result in forfeiting pork shares. After the death of the old major, everybody was sad, but life went and the revolution started. Scene 2. The Revolution. Joe came to know about this revolution and decided to confront the company members. As a result, the employees rebelled and finally he was dismissed from his position and set off.
You don't deserve this place, so hereby with the mutual decision of all of the members, you are fired.
You can't just fire me like that. I will see you in court.
But we just did. Now don't show a face here.
Yeah, just leave right now and don't show your face again.
Snowbell and Old Major said, then it must be okay.
With this out of the way, everyone was happy and at a peace. That now the company's future is safe and out of the hands of Joe. After the old major's death, Snowbell took over the company's command as he was the most ambitious all of them.
Miss, do you think we have to do it like this?
let Leonard check it too.
Ma'am, do you think the presentation is right?
Yes, it is perfect for our client. Good boy.
Yes, I did. What you told me. आपने मुझे 100 ब्लैंक शीट मंगवाई थी, मैं काउंट नहीं कर पाई, तो मैंने एक ब्लैंक शीट को लेके 100 प्रिंट आउट्स निकाल लिए. ठीक किया ना?
Well, okay, if the objective is done.
Leonid, is this right?
Yes.
And this one?
Yes.
And this one?
Arey, how many times do I have to tell you? Sahi hai, go announce Snowbell.
Oh, come on, didn't she just tell you it's right? Stop nagging her, let her do her work. She isn't free like you.
Scene 3. The Windmill. The day came which everyone was dreading. The lawsuit. Joe filed a complaint against the partnership deed in High Court and was asking for a huge compensation, which backfired as the proof and facts against him proved in court how it was right for the company to banish him, after which Joe was finally out for good.
We need to discuss an important topic.
Yeah, what is it? I'm totally free all the time. What work with poor Leonid है?
Come on, drop the act. ये हमारी कंपनी के फायदे के लिए है. I'm going out for some days. You know I have a huge presentation on our windmill project. It's going to be a big milestone for our company.
Well, if it's that important, go right ahead.
The reason why it is so important is because I am giving you the delegation of authority when I'm gone.
Oh, great. Go right ahead. Win that all over, my girl.
While I win the company all over.
What Snowbell didn't know, Leonid was only waiting for an opportunity like this, and he gave him that on a silver platter with the golden spoon. And soon after Snowbell's departure, he falsely took over the company and was running it steadily. Soon after a few days, Snowbell arrived with some exciting news.
Hey, Leonard, I have a great news for you. You're going to be so happy about it.
Wow. So we got the project.
Calls everyone for a company announcement, and in the meeting, before Snowbell could address the windmill project.
Today I have some good news and some bad news. Bad news is that we have a trader among us who has been going off our back to make a deal with Joe. And the name I'm referring to is Snowbell.
Yes?
Yes, you heard correct. A trader.
What? Do you really think?
I don't know.
No.
I never thought that you would betray me like that. All allegations against me are false. I was gone to crack a big project.
Squarelina, please do the honors.
Leonid does everything for a reason, and she is always right. And here are the proofs. You want to see more? Look.
Taken out of a collection of pictures clicked of Snowbell and Joe, shaking hands, having a meeting, seeing this photo, everyone is shocked.
This is getting all clear. Our Snowbell is a trader.
Really, if Pig says he is bad, then yeah, Snowbell is bad.
Did not expect this from you, Snowbell.
I would never do this. Believe me.
Oh, come on, don't act. You are a trader.
Now with authority given by you to me, come in the gas to throw you out. You're fired.
What? No, please listen to me. Listen.
What is this windmill project?
You see, friends, it was all Leonid who came up with getting this huge project called Windmill. This project would be really profitable and lead to huge success of the company. And all thanks goes to Leonid.
Hey, Leonid.
Scene 4. Miss Fedrine's War. After the news of big project spread, workload increased to its heights. As the competition and fight to win the project is increasing, the stress level is also increasing among. the companies and their employees.
Luna, have you heard about that windmill project?
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. It is a great opportunity for the growth of our company. Yes, you are right. We need to win from Animal Farm. I guess they would be on the project as well. Great idea. I think I should call my friend Leonid. You can go, Luna. Thank you.
Leonid dear, कैसी हो तुम?
Oh, cut the crap, friend. I know why have you called. It's about windmill, isn't it?
Well, you know me so well, sweetheart.
Let me say with some strength. I can sell your idea for a suitable price of 170 lakhs.
Oh, Leonid, you are so kind. पर थोड़ा adjust नहीं हो सकता क्या?
Fine, make it 160. That's it.
Oh, you are so kind. Consider it a deal.
As a result of sale, Leonid got rich and Red Lion copied the idea, which made two almost identical ideas for windmill project, which was then told to be redesigned by both companies from the firm operating the project. The stress from the previous workload took over all the employees, but still they managed to outsmart their work and make an amazing presentation, which impressed the clients. And finally, the windmill project was given to Animal Farm, and they defeated Miss Federaline's Red Lion. Scene 5: The Discovery. While going through the windmill project, Bo found some concerning details which showed the actual profit and how much of it is going to Leonid.
What? How? ये सब गलत हो रहा है. मुझे लियोनेट से बात कर होगी. Miss, I think there are some paper mistake. It's showing the profit more than actually we know. I think it's my mistake.
What, really? Show me. How can you make such a mistake? Look like you need a break. I hear you, but fire you out.
What? I am sorry. I will do my work more properly. Please, you can't do that.
I can do what I want. It's my company now. All employees are equal, but some employees are more equal than others. Now out, don't disturb me. Guards.
Yes, you may leave, and please don't disturb our hardworking boss.
What is happening in the office? This is sad. I can't see this.
I don't know. Roxy is a very respectable employee. How can Leonid fire her like that?
Oops, this is not going good.
We need to get to the bottom of this.
Yes, let's check the accounts and paperwork.
Now is the time to end this. All employees are equal, but some employees are more equal than others, and restore the commitment of all employees are equal.
Yes, you are right.
After this, all employees declared a protest against Leonid.
You can't get to me. It's my company.
Thanks for watching.